Hey guys, welcome back. This problem is a variation of 2-sum problem. If you haven't seen the 2-sum part 1 problem, the link is in the description. Go through that video first before watching this, okay? Let's see the problem statement. Given an array of integers that is already sorted in an ascending order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. The function 2-sum should return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target where index 1 must be less than index 2. See the example. Numbers are 2, 7, 11 and 15. Target is 9. The sum of 2 and 7 is 9. Therefore, index 1 is 1, index 2 is 2. The 2-sum part 1 problem is similar to this one, except here the input numbers are sorted. To solve this, here we are using one easy concept, that is two-pointer technique. It is really easy and effective technique which is used in most of the times for searching pairs in a sorted array. The naive solution will use time complexity of O(n) square. Now let's see how this technique will lead us to O(n) time. Here we take two pointers, left and right. Left is for representing first element and right is for last element of the array. Next we add the elements present in those pointers. If sum is less than the target, then we shift the left pointer to the right. In other words, increment the left pointer. Or if sum is greater than target, then we shift the right pointer to the left. In other words, decrement the right pointer. This process keeps on moving until we get the sum as our target. When that happens, we need to return the indices of the two numbers. That is all. Let's code this now. First take two pointers left and right. Initialize first with 0 and right with array length -1. We need another variable sum to hold the sum of two numbers. Array of size 2 is needed to hold our result. One while loop is used to iterate through the array while left less than right. Here we access the array using these two pointers. While loop breaks when left pointer equals to the right. When while loop breaks, it means we haven't found the pairs. Inside the while loop, first calculate the sum of first and last element of the array. Let's check if that sum is same as our target. If so, then update the result with indices of the two numbers and return the result. Now on the other hand, if sum is less than target, then we just need to shift our left pointers towards the right. That is plus plus left. Or if sum is greater than target, then we need to shift the right pointer towards the left. That is minus minus right. That is all. Finally return the result. Now let's run the code and submit. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe and support. Thanks for watching this.